You need to hear this if you're into oddly calming transformations. Watch a messy pot turn into perfection in 60 seconds. I'm Albert, let's go. Okay, step 1. Gently lift the plant out, don't yank it. Loosen the roots with your fingers until they fan out like a tiny root hair explosion. Add fresh, airy potting mix into the new pot. Halfway, then make a little well. Place the plant in, check height so the top of the root ball sits just below the rim. Fill around with mix, tap the pot to settle the soil, and press lightly, no compacting into a brick. Water until you see it trickle from the drainage hole, perfectly hydrating without drowning. Wipe the leaves, angle it into the light and step back before, cramped, sad, droopy, after, happy, airy, thriving. Tells us what you think in the comments and like and subscribe. Miracle fertilizers. Skip 'em. Here's a real trick. I'm Albert. Let's double growth. Step 1. Pot up slightly. Drainage is non-negotiable. Roots like room, not soup. Step 2. Feed smart. Alternate balanced feed with seaweed or compost tea. Nutrients plus microbes equals speed. Step 3. More light. Add 3 to 5 strong hours. Use bright, indirect sun. A simple LED bulb works. Water mornings, so plants use it all day. Bonus, pinch tips for bushier growth. Wipe leaves for max photosynthesis. 1 month. Big change. Take notes, adjust as needed, and don't overdo it. Tells us what you think in the comments, and like and subscribe. You need to hear this if you love easy garden wins. 4 plants, 0 stress, stick around. Hi, I'm Albert. Quick plant of the week roundup. First up, tulips. Bright, bold, show-off friendly, plant bulbs in autumn and enjoy a splash of color come spring. Next, daffodils. Hard-working, deer-resistant, they naturalize like champs and make any lawn look cheerful. Third, hellebores. Shade-loving, long-lasting blooms, classy leaves, perfect under trees. Lastly, pansies. Little faces with huge personality. Great for pots. Perfect for borders. Instant color resets. Quick tips. Pair bulbs with mulch. Give hellebores morning sun. Deadhead pansies for longer blooms. Stagger planting for weeks of color. Which one would you try first? Tells us what you think in the comments, and like and subscribe.